Hello everyone, in this video you will learn complete details of rebaring. Please watch till end without skipping the video. Rebaring is the method of insertion of the steel bars when there is change in design or there is some extension of the present structure. When steel rod as per drawing has not been installed. Rebaring technique is reinforced concrete construction is a method for proper fabrication and placement of reinforcement bar as per the design and drawing of RCC work. Fixing of new reinforcement steel to existing concrete structure with drilling in concrete 150 mm or 10 times of diameter whichever is maximum to 600 mm deep as per structural design with applying chemical to bar with testing as per the design standards. Why do we need to rebar? When some changes in design of structures or failure of the existing structure or existing steel reinforcement is found low in quality or cut or break of any bar in existing structure, all those locations we need to rebar as per standard norms are given by structural consultant or RCC designer. Where can we rebar? We can rebar the steel reinforcement at the following locations. Rebaring can be done for column jacketing, beams, chhajja projection, extension of slab, lintel at doors and windows, lift wall, retaining wall, etc. if any bar cut break due to by mistake. What is the current practice of rebaring? Currently all the contractors, developers, and some engineers are doing wrong practice for doing rebaring because they are always doing rebaring at various location at various levels by forgetting to keep dowels or keep wrong diameter steel dowels, etc. But all the time everyone is following the wrong practice to close his mistakes in concrete. Because no one can find any mistakes after concreting. No one will clean the drilled holes or bore properly and remove all the dust particles where we place the bars. Also, no one is using blower on any other tools to clean the drilled holes or bore. Some contractors are using any diameter of bar as well as rusted, dirty, oily bars are used to rebaring without discussing with a technical person. Contractors always want to close the mistakes of steel reinforcements, shuttering, sizes, etc. At this time contractor will immediate complete rebaring and on the same day shuttering will be fixed and on the same concrete work will also be completed, but no one can cross-check the quality of rebaring at all after concreting. When work is completed with the above procedure, no one can check the pull-out test of the bar. After rebaring work is completed, wait for 48 to 72 hours to pull-out tests. If the results are satisfactory, then we can continue with the remaining process. Note that all the bars that we place for rebaring should not overlap at same location. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to contact us via Instagram. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos and follow my Instagram page. We even provide online and offline on-site services.